Welcome to the 2022 Unity Beginners course. This is episode 9 and I will introduce to you GameObjects and object instantiation. The GameObject component is the root element of in-game objects. They contain the necessary information about the object, like the object name, and are as important as the transform component. Every monobehavior class contains the property GameObject and transform. One of the most common uses of this component is to activate and deactivate objects. When an object gets deactivated, all of its components, including attached scripts, will start running. This saves lots of performance, as unnecessary jobs are stopped. We can use the setActive method to activate and deactivate an object. Meanwhile, the active in hierarchy property indicates whether the object is currently active. This component is also useful for spawning objects during runtime. The GameObject.instantiate method lets us clone an object, usually prefabs. Let's try it out. This code here creates a new object. Notice we can also use the addComponent method to dynamically add components to the object, as well as setting parent relationships using a transform property. And when we run the game, a new object will be spawned. We can also use the GameObject components to find objects in the scene. For instance, this code here finds the object with the name plane. There are other functions to find objects based on tags, as well as finding components in an object. Note, the searching functions will cost some performance, and it is not recommended to use the find or get component functions inside update loops. And that is how you work with the GameObject component. We will continue to use the dynamic generation skills in the later episodes. More information about this component can be found in the Unity scripting API, and the link is in the description below. This is episode 9 of the 2022 Unity Beginners course. I am Yeahlowflicker and I will see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.